Hey guys, I got a quick video today just showing you all of my keycaps that I currently have in store, and kind of just wanted to show them off to you a little bit, and I hope you enjoy them. Alright guys, I am going over my current stock of keycaps that I have. Granted, I've sold a bunch of keycaps. I sold GMK Paperwork, I sold GMK Sky Dolch, I sold some another 40s kit, and a few more. But we'll start. Right here's the old ass cherry set. I probably couldn't even use because they're so brittle. Right here is the CRP G Pink, which are an amazing set. Right here is CRP Peacock. Here's just an XDA set off KBD fans. I got it to use on one of my 40s that I had at the time, but I sold. I got EPBT Sushi, of course GMK Camping, CRP Tulip, and I have all the add-ons with it too, with like the cherry, you know, the cherry add-ons, the 65% add-ons, numb kit. GMK Pulse with Hangle, Alphas, GMK Monochrome, SA Bliss, EPBT Retro Acrylic, the Key Company blank set, and then the rest I had left over from my GMK Pulse set after getting the Hangle. Alphas was enough to actually cover this board, so I just used it for that. I might switch it someday, but for now it just looks good. But yeah, here's an overview of them. I don't have a ton of keycaps because I only buy keycaps for a board I have planned at that time. I don't just load down like everyone else who buys, you know, almost every GMK drop. I just buy them as I need them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and hopefully catch you in the next video. Bye. I hope you enjoyed that little video, you know, going over all my keycaps and what they look like on some of the boards. And also, I recently created a Patreon. You know, link will be in the description, as well as some of my other social medias: Twitch, Twitter, Instagram. I used to stream a lot more than I do now, but I plan on start streaming more again. So if you want to watch some gameplay and you know are interested in something like that, please check it out. And yeah, have a good one.